Okay, I changed up this grenade a little bit. Looks a little more like a grenade now. I can put this bottom cap on with the hole in it, and it chokes it down, so it makes it a little quieter for indoors in a building, a room. But with it unscrewed, it's the full diameter of the tube. Got a weight up here. The bail wire was clear down here. That's the catch release mechanism. Shortened it and put it up here, and I highly polished the little groove where the catch mechanism is. Got a new finial cap from a lamp. It's this guess it's a lamp pipe, 1/8 threaded lamp pipe, making lamps. And there's the cap down inside of it. And I soldered on this little piece of tube that the firecracker can just fit right in there. And I've had 2 successful shots with it without using like a match head or any other powder to help light the fuse. I've just been twisting the fuse down inside of the top of the firecracker. It's got a little gap in the top of the firecracker the fuse can fit down in, and I've got enough fire shooting through each cap, little paper cap, to light those fuses now. And you should be able to see the fire shoot out of here. There you go. For now.